Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. May Allah bless you and keep smiling. Always be happy in your life. First of all, thank you for supporting me and welcome back my YouTube channel. I want to share crochet article design and I hope you like this video. This video I am sharing Crochet Cat House. So viewers, don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. You know why some people have different choice. Some people like bright colors and some people like light colors and some people like bright colors. But in this video you will see all color design for crochet cat design house. This crochet cat house design are having to all fabulous design from easy. This beautiful patterns collection for you. This is a pattern for a beautifully designed this amazing collection for you. If you want more ideas and more decent crochet patterns design, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video very amazing and helpful for you. So friends, share this video to your friend and family members. Be connected with me and remember, me in your prayer. We will meet you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.